Martin and Uncle Mike. These things are really awesome, and I really like the Just Last Shirt thingy.
Hi, you want to say hi?
And I'd like to say thank you. Yeah, I want to say hi.
Turn around, Kai.
Turn around then. Okay. Hello, my name is Kai Mustard.
Lauren?
Hello. Thank you so much for giving Jackie a present.
Your bird.
Oh, look, I got a new bird. Snowbell. See?
Snowbell says,
Hi.
hi, little bird.
Oh, I can make Snowbell say something.
Go ahead.
Snowbell. Snowbell says. Man, he's not squawking. You have to make it hard. Okay, Snowbell says. Hi.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. I'm gonna die.